Good morning, dear student. I hope you are fine. I am also fine by the grace of Almighty. I am Shamima Yasmin Ferdowsi, Assistant Teacher, Chattogram Collegiate School. I welcome you to Chattogram Collegiate School online classes. Dear learners, today I will discuss about how to write a personal letter. In English, you have two comprehensions. One is scene comprehension, which is from your textbook, and one is unseen comprehension, which is outside from the textbook. And following the unseen comprehension, you have to write a letter. In writing the letter, you have to follow some clues, and you have to write at least 6 sentences in the letter, but you can write more sentences. Dear learners, here I have written a sample letter for you. I have done it beforehand so that we can save our time. When you will write a letter, you will have to follow some steps, or you can say there are 5 parts in a letter. And first one is heading. This part is the heading of the letter. Then greeting. This part is the greeting. Then body. This whole part is the body of the letter. Then closing. This is the closing. Then at last signature. Okay. Dear learners, suppose you have an unseen comprehension about our country, Bangladesh, and the unseen comprehension says about the capital of Bangladesh, about independence, about different crops, about rivers, flowers, fruits, people, interesting places. It means a different aspect of Bangladesh. And after the unseen comprehension, you are given a task to write a personal letter. Okay. Okay, here is the clue for writing a personal letter. You see, suppose you are Tamal or Tina. You live in Sylhet, Bangladesh. Your friend Andrew lives in Washington, D.C., America. Now write a letter to your friend about your country. Dear learners, this is the clue for writing a letter, and you will have to write the letter following this clue. And you must follow different steps of the letter. Okay, dear learners, give your attention here. In heading, I have written the address of Tamal, who is the writer of the letter, and Tamal lives in Sylhet. Here I have written an imaginary address of Tamal, 85 Khadim Nagar, Sylhet, Bangladesh. Date 12 October 2020. Dear learners, this is the heading of the letter. Then greeting. In greeting, I have written Dear Andrew, who will receive the letter. And in the body of the letter, you can write more than one para. In first para, I have written, how are you? I am fine. In your letter, you wanted to know about my country. Today, I am writing about my beautiful country. So, in the first para, just I wanted to know about Andrew's condition, how is he now, and I mentioned that in his previous letter, he wanted to know about my country. That's why I am writing this letter about my country. Dear learners, in the second para, I have given a short description about Bangladesh. Okay, just I have written here few sentences about Bangladesh, but you can add more sentences. Okay, but you cannot write less than 6 sentences. In second para, I have written Bangladesh became independent in 1971. Dhaka is its capital. It's an agricultural country. It's a small country with a large population. It is known as a country of rivers. We have so many interesting places. Cox's Bazar Sea Beach is the longest sea beach in the world. People from different communities live here in peace. I love my country very much. This is the middle para of the letter. Then in the last para I have written, please write me about your country. Give my regards to your parents. No more today. Okay. Thus I have written the body of the letter. You can add more information about our country. It's like here I have written it is known as a country of rivers, and after this you can add the name of the rivers, like we have so many big rivers in our country. Those are the Podda, the Meghna, the Jamuna, the Karnafuli. Then here I have written we have so many interesting places. You can write the name of the interesting places, like our interesting places are the Sundarbans, the Rangamati, the Khagrachuri, the Bandarban, the Shatgambuz Mosque, etc. Then you can write the name of our crops, okay, like paddy, then jute, sugar cane, etc. are our main crops. Then you can write people from different religion lives in Bangladesh and they live here in peace. Then you can write that the natural beauty of Bangladesh is so much attractive, okay, and it is a green country. You can add so many things about our country. And in the last para I have written, please write me about your country. Give my regards to your parents. No more today. Okay, this is the finishing, and after that the closing. Your loving friend, signature Tomal. Thus I have finished writing the letter, dear learners, and at last you will have to draw an envelope. Okay, you see this is the envelope, and at the right corner I have written the I have kept a place for the stamp. Okay, then on the right this is the address of Andrew who will receive the letter. I have written here an imaginary address, Andrew, to Andrew, 25 Green Street, Washington DC, America. Then on the left I have written the address of Tomal Ahmed, who is the writer of the letter. Tomal Ahmed, 85 Khadim Nagar, Sylhet, Bangladesh. This is how I have finished writing the letter. Dear learners, I think you have got my point and you will be able to write personal letters in this way. So this is all for today, dear learners. You will practice writing letters at your home, okay? And when you will practice unseen comprehension, you will write the letter this way. Dear learners, we will meet in our next class, and this is the end of our class today. So This is Corona time. You should be careful about your health. You should stay at your home, dear learners, and you should be very much careful about keeping good health. So, stay safe, stay fine. Goodbye.